What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to Delightful and Delicious, and on this channel we make yummy food with an emphasis on flavor. So if you like things that taste delicious, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now today we are going to be making ridiculously easy yet super delicious honey sriracha chicken wings. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay guys, so here I have 4 pounds of chicken wings that I have washed, trimmed, and pat dry with a paper towel. Now we're going to put our spice mixture on that, and in here I have some salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I have some smoked paprika, a little bit of cumin, some ground ginger, and I also have some cornstarch in here. What that's going to do is make our baked chicken wings crispy. Pour your spice mixture over your wings and then give those a good toss. You want to make sure that every single wing has that delicious seasoning on them. Place a rack on a foiled lined baking sheet and then spray that with oil to prevent sticking. Then just place your chicken wings on your rack. Make sure they're in a single layer and have a little bit of space in between them. Alright, now we're just going to take our wings, pop them in a preheated oven that's at 400 degrees. We're going to bake these for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're then going to rotate them and turn them over. Bake them for an additional 20 minutes or until yours are done. Once they've reached a temperature of 165 degrees, your wings are ready. Now while our wings are baking, let's go ahead and get our sauce mixed together. We're going to melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium-high heat. Add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic to your melted butter and saute for 1 minute until it becomes fragrant. Next, add in your sriracha sauce, honey, sesame oil, and fresh squeezed lime juice. Now give that a good stir to mix this well. Let this cook for 2 minutes over medium heat to let the flavors combine. And after 2 minutes, give it a good whisk, turn the heat off, and just let this sit until your wings are ready. Now our wings have been cooking for 20 minutes. We're going to take them out of the oven, turn them over to the opposite side so that it gets nice and crisp, and then we're going to put them back in the oven for an additional 20 to 30 minutes until your wings are done. Now here are our beautiful, crispy, delicious wings fresh out of the oven. And we're just going to pour that yummy honey sriracha sauce all over them. Now give your wings a good toss to make sure every single wing is coated with this deliciousness. Alright guys, here we are, all done. Our wings look and smell amazing. Let's go ahead and give it a little taste. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is delicious. You get that heat from the sriracha, the sweetness from the honey, and that little bit of tang from the acidity of the lime juice. Amazing. They were super easy to do. We cooked them in the oven, which got rid of all that extra fat. If we were going to fry them, we didn't have to deal with that. Now, all of the ingredients are down in the description box. All of the ingredients and directions are on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. I'll link that down below too. Make sure you are subscribed, guys, and you hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, whenever you are in the kitchen, you are keeping it delightful and delicious. We will see you next time, guys. Bye.